In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a trailing stop loss on eToro. To get started, sign into your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard, where you can access markets, charts, and your portfolio. Make sure you're using the correct account before placing any trade, especially if you switch between demo and real investing. Next, use the search bar to find the asset you want to trade. You can type in the name or ticker symbol of the asset. For example, you might search for AMZN if you want to trade Amazon. As you type, eToro will usually show matching results, so just click the one you want to open. After selecting the asset, click Trade to open the trade window. This is where you'll set up the order. The trade panel gives you access to the main settings you need before entering the market. Now enter your trade details. This includes the amount you want to invest and any other available trade settings shown in the window. Take a moment here to make sure everything matches your trading plan. It's always a good idea to review the position size carefully, since risk management starts with how much you commit to the trade. Once that's set, open the stop loss section. This is where you control how much downside risk you're willing to accept on the position. A stop loss helps close the trade if the market moves against you, which can be useful for protecting your capital. In the stop loss settings, enable the trailing stop loss option by checking the box or turning on the setting. This feature is different from a regular stop loss because it can move along with the price when the trade goes in your favor. That means it helps lock in gains while still giving the trade room to move. Next, set the stop loss value. Depending on what eToro displays, you may be able to enter a specific amount or a price level. Choose the value carefully so it reflects the amount of risk you're comfortable taking. If the stop is too tight, small market fluctuations could close your trade too early. Before placing the order, review the full trade setup. Double-check the asset, investment amount, stop loss settings, and confirm that trailing stop loss is enabled. This quick review can help you avoid simple mistakes. When everything looks right, click Buy or Open Trade to place the order with the trailing stop loss turned on. Thanks for watching.